Someone opened the door. Who can it be at this time of night? Who is it? Oh, you. You're late. Where the hell were you? What's happening outside? Do you have any news? What about the war? Where is the war? I wouldn't take the liberty of asking your opinions. Everyone is free and I'm not concerned with politics. Real life? You mustn't think about it anymore. And you must stop listening to the sounds from outside. What you call outside is as mysterious to us as we are to it. Life seems to be so remote, so profound. We have reached the point that it has all the unreality of the film. We can no longer be actuated by human feelings. Our function will be to support, establish, and justify metaphors. Turn left, and be careful they don't spot you. When you get to the windows, hug the walls on all fours. They're shooting from the roofs.
I don't understand you people. I mean, all these picky little points you keep bringing up, they don't mean nothing. You saw this kid just like I did. You're not going to tell me you believe that phony story about losing the knife and that business about being at the movies? Look, you know how these people lie? It's born in them. I mean, what the heck? I don't have to tell you. They don't know what the truth is.
Find the miracle ball.
You're late. Where the hell were you?
Where the hell were you? Been told that this house is going to be besieged. The rebels have already crossed the river. This afternoon, just before you arrived, took 3 key positions. They set fire to several places. Not a single fireman come out. Everything went up in flames. The palace was blown up. It's dangerous for anyone to loiter in the streets. You've had a pretty close shave. I went out to plant a bomb. When I got halfway up the street, some son of a bitch started firing away, but he missed me. I saw the machine gun almost in front of me. He was reloading. I just stood and stared at him, cool as a cucumber. He looked as if he was posing, with the light beaming on him. He took aim, and then he toppled over. One of our boys had picked him off. I continued on my way, calm as can be. I plant my bomb, and here I am. I wasn't scared for a second. Didn't bat an eyelash.
What's that?
The city is full of corpses. All the roads are cut. There's simply no end to it. Not a moment's rest. The rebellion has spread all over the north of the city.
What's that?
Nothing. There's always some carelessness on both sides.
But that cry, a woman's cry. A call for help, perhaps. It's disturbing, you hear?
I told you, you mustn't think about it anymore, and you must stop listening to the sounds from outside. Ugh, but I told them to be quiet. Good thing I remembered to cover the windows with padded curtains.
That wasn't a make-believe
How
street.
do we know? And what does it matter? Oh, what is that? What is it? Can't they leave me in peace? What's going on?
Nothing at all. Someone must have dropped something. You're getting nervous.
May I have a look outside?
Just a quick one, because it's getting late.
Come over here. Have a look outside. 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 earth is bathed in sudden peace. The moan of doves, the peace that precedes the battles. The air is very still. An apple has fallen to the grass. A yellow apple. Things are holding their breath. War is declared. The evening is very mild. We're at the edge of the meadows. But suddenly, death has pricked my ears. Things are lit up in an ultimate goodness. The water lay motionless in pools. The wind itself was awaiting an order to unfurl the flags. Suddenly all was fire and sword. Splinters of shells had gashed the lemons. Now death was in action.
Shut up, you liar! Shut up!
I wanted to disenchant. You've got to realise that. They need me. I'm like a pool in which they behold themselves. When it's over, their minds are clear. I can tell from their eyes. Suddenly they understand mathematics. They love their children and their country. It brings consolation.
Hell no, none of that. That sort of thing wouldn't shoot them into a heaven of abstractions where they'd hang permanently. You've got to leave them in their living reality. Let there be poems and pictures, but they mustn't give pleasure. They've got to stick.
Reality frightens you, doesn't it? Would it perturb you to see things as they are? To gaze at the world tranquilly and accept responsibility for your gaze, whatever it might see?
Who is it? Outside? Or rebels? Or someone dreaming?
Stop listening. You seem anxious. Has anything happened?
Come along,
get out!
Get out! Clear out of here. Clear out of here.
Clear out of here.
There's nothing further to do.
Get along,
You've
clear
got to
out of
leave.
here. But you've got to leave.
Gentlemen, you are free. Your time's up.
Okay, your time's up.
You're leaving.
Your time's up.
No door that
I don't know
leads to
what
the
you're doing,
alleyway.
and I haven't a right to inquire. You'll leave by the narrow door that leads to the alleyway.